This is Bellingen Shire Council's records room. Probably about 500 square metres in size. They've got records here going back from 1950 up till current time. They've identified a mould and dampness and condensation problem here, and the records have been deteriorating. Also, there's a strong mould presence in the building. We've done a healthy home inspection through the place, and we've identified the humidity is far too high. What we're going to do is install an FDK 100, a big machine, a machine that will take out up to 100 litres of water a day. We're going to install it on one of these walls, and we're going to direct the water down into the stormwater drain. It'll run automatically. We'll set it at around about 55% relative humidity. When it reaches there, the machine will stop. It runs off what we call a humidistat. It's similar to a thermostat, but it's a humidistat which runs off humidity. So we'll set it, like I said, around about 55, maybe 60. When the humidity drops down to that level, and it's currently around about 80%, it'll drop down to 55 to 60, and the machine will turn off. It'll sit there doing nothing, just waiting. When the humidity rises past 55, it will turn back on again. Quite simple, very effective.
My name is Phil Buchan. I'm the Asset Manager for Bellingen Shire Council. Bellingen Shire is located just south of Coffs Harbour on the mid-north coast of New South Wales. Our main administration building is in Bellingen, and we had a serious problem with mould and the smell of mould throughout the subfloor area and into one of Council's meeting rooms. We went through a process of looking to see who was out there to resolve this problem, and after research and a number of different discussions with different companies, we engaged MoistureCure to assess our problem and to give us a written report on their findings with some options to remediate the problem. We did engage MoistureCure, and the recommendations were to put in 3 dehumidifiers in the subfloor area, and also looked at providing some air purifiers for our council chambers. So at the end of the day, the work that was undertaken has resolved the problem. There was treatment of the mould. We also had the dehumidifiers installed, and we now have a better environment for our records, which are located also in the subfloor area, and the health of the building in the longer term as well. So I would certainly recommend MoistureCure in terms of their professional ability to deal with the problem and resolve the problem, and certainly our experience has been they've been a good company to work with to resolve our issues.
People trust MoistureCure.